This is Don Bruce at Cameo Parkway Records. You just put the needle on a really unique record album. Here is a complete disc jockey show with all the modern pace of today's exciting radio.
We are going to play a typical number with a typical amount of loud and low passing.
I would like, if I may, to take you on a stroll.
And xmas, then all our problems will be over. Xmas. We have been looking for you. My weak spot, and still you fail.
The quintessence. Father of the hip-hop renaissance. My slang been around before baton and been a son I've been on. Fingerprint proof fingertips, so when I squeeze the rubber grip, release the clip and leave the clip. These hyper pigs can identify it. The true living God, son, we exemplify it. The most complicated forms of life, we simplify it. Don't knock until you try it. Flying dagger, make a sagger, then I take the swagger, ice cold Jägermeister. Take a drag a whole Bow County cuss, fly like the Nike swoosh. Bruce Almighty got more problems than Spidey look. Old Brooklyn putting them avenue crook. I've been tookin' all around the world, Brooklyn, then dropped back in Brooklyn. Good looking, son, yo, son, bring the hook in. You can never find Zig, weak spot, stop looking.
From the continents to Croatia, I flame a Leinster with the new slang. Much more to show you, these rocks change. Glock bullies, hot pellets have you running through the hall. It's on like you being chased by the relic. Can't nothing harm me, yo. I move through any project with logic. Few semis hot in the cockpit. Scream out Shalon, I'ma tap in. Harder than Tanakh, and don't try to play the fella out blacked in. Moving on miraculous to slapsmiths of the rap game. Say my name backwards, you get back change. Black man, black hooded, moving through the city like you Batman. Still you so pussy like Catwoman. Don't bother the legion. More squeezing, more reason to light a new block. Cause me to semen shit. Powerful block shoppers and all niggas getting that guap. Dare you to try to find my weak spot. My weak spot, and still you fail. My weak spot, and still you fail.
I stay on the 64 squares while patrolling the center. Trading space from material to time zone I enter. It's calculated by movement from push pieces. Advancements in development once the pawn reaches 8th rank, the heavily armed of the tank.
My opponent's bases cracked, my soldiers cut with shanks. Moved on my small pieces and teams were driven back. Unable to avoid capture from the attack. Such movement is naturally quite unsound. Men that's badly placed upon dangerous grounds, loosening their position before they were strongly posted. Before the double rooks had approached it, they must have been quick to ignore the principles. While being an effective guard is invincible. A strategic plan, just the way I envision it. Many fallen soldiers in complete imprisonment.
Not hit by my weak spot, but still, you failed.
Tell all the people that you see, follow me down. Tell all the people that you see, set them free. Follow me down. You tell them they don't have to run. We're gonna pick up everyone. Come on, take me by my hand. Gonna bury all our troubles in the sand. Oh yeah. Can't you see the wonder at me? Your life's complete. Follow me down. Can't you see me growing? Get your guns. The time has come to follow me down. Follow me across the sea where milky babies seem to be. Floated, flowing revelry with the one that set them free. Tell all the people that you see, it's just me. Follow me down.
Fuck! Oh, you fucking motherfucker! I fucking had that! Oh, you fucking bitch!